All right, so this problem is involving angles being bisected. So the first piece of information I'm giving is that line segment AC bisects angle XAB right here. So if this guy is bisecting this big angle here, that tells me that this angle and this angle are congruent. Okay, so I am given that angle WAQ is 65 degrees, and I'm going to use that information to find those other angles. So I am given that information, 65 degrees. Okay, so now I need to recognize that these two guys are vertical angles. Okay, they're formed by the intersection of two lines there. So I know that this also, so CAB is, or can be calculated, and I know that is also 65 degrees, and my reason is going to be that fact that they are vertical angles. Okay, and they just want to know what angles are we talking about? This QAW, or WAQ, same thing right there, and the CAB are vertical angles. All right, and then now I can work my way over to that other angle, which we talked about would be congruent to CAB. So that is also 65 degrees. And our reason there is that bisector that we originally, that information we were given, that AC bisects those angles. Okay, and so XAB right here, XAB is bisected to form XAC and that CAB. Okay, so now I want to find the angle that is originally being bisected. So this XAB here, and I can find that by just adding 65 and 65. I can calculate that. 65 plus 65 is 130. And my reason is that angle addition. So I added those two angles. So angles XAC, XAC, and CAB. So XAC and CAB form our XAB. All right, and finally, I can work my way right over to that last angle, the one I'm trying to find, QAX. So now I know that this 65, this unknown angle, and this 65 all should add up to 180 degrees. Okay, and I could do it this way too. I know that this unknown, this 65 and this 65 should all add up to 180 degrees. Okay, or this unknown angle, even simplify this further, and the 130 here should add up to 180 because these two are a linear pair. They make a line. So what 130 and 50 make 180 degrees. And that right there was our linear pair. Angle addition might possibly work as a reason as well for this one. I'm going to guess that they'll accept that as well. So then I know that QAX and XAB form a linear pair. So I can put that 50 degrees in as my answer, and I am done.